If you've made cocktails, then you surely know that there's nothing more classic than the old-fashioned. That's why this week we're going to be making a fruit-filled variant, the Monticello. From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. My name is Suzanne. This week, we're going to be making one of my favorite variants of an old-fashioned. An old-fashioned is basically just whiskey and something a little bit, some sweetener, and then some bitters. And it's delicious and spirit-forward and a real crowd pleaser. So let's get started. This drink is from our favorite cocktail reference book, the 12 Bottle Bar. We're going to start by building it in the glass, and we're going to start with a cube of frozen cherry juice. The original recipe actually calls for frozen unsweetened pomegranate juice, but I had cherry juice, so that's what we're using. So freeze it up and just put it in your glass to start, and that lets it start melting and adding some of its flavor to the drink. Okay, so then we're gonna add a couple dashes of orange bitters. This is aged orange bitters from Topo Distillery. They sent this to us. They're wonderful. We love them. So thanks, Topo. So just add a couple dashes right into the jar, and then we're going to add a teaspoon of grenadine. This is homemade grenadine. Either make your own grenadine. I will include instructions on how to do this in the description. Either make your own or buy the good stuff. Don't buy the crappy stuff made with corn syrup. Corn syrup has never made a drink better. Use good ingredients. Okay, and then we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of dry curacao from Pierre Ferrand. Give it this nice orangey flavor, add a little bit more sweetness. It's going to go really, really well with our orange bitters. So we're just going to add a quarter teaspoon. It's going to give us some subtle sweetness. Okay, beautiful. And then we're going to also add Topo 8 Oak Carolina whiskey that the kind folks at Topo Distillery sent to us. Thanks, guys. We're gonna add 1.5 ounces. All right, just add that in there. Okay, and then we're just gonna give it a nice stir with our bar spoon just to get everything chilled. So just wanna stir it until you feel like the outside of your glass is cool. I feel like that's good. There you have it, the Monticello, a old-fashioned variant. I really like this. It's definitely a more potent drink of the drinks we've made on this channel. It's more spirit-forward. You can definitely, the whiskey is really prominent. The fruity flavors, the cherry and the orange and the bitters, they play really nicely. It's a little sweet, but not too much. So yeah, I just love it. I think it's delicious. Make it at home. Let me know what you think, guys. So that's it for this week. We are on YouTube. We'd love it if you liked and subscribed our videos. And also we're on Facebook. Check us out there as well. And as always, stay safe and drink responsibly. It's really good, guys. If you have those big silicone ice molds, those are great for freezing the pomegranate or cherry juice. Just freeze them into those big old cubes and you can stick it in there and it adds a nice subtle note of flavor and it keeps your drink cool. It's like a multi-purpose serving ingredient, which, you know, who doesn't love that? Is that enough? Okay. Did I make you laugh?